Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the gear lever. Okay, we'll see how this works and how you're going to use it. Okay, we'll also see few internal mechanics of this gear lever, so stay tuned till the end. You will know a lot of cool things about the gear lever. Okay, before we move further, please hit the like button to promote this video. Also, please subscribe my channel for more videos, and remember, this is going to be a complete series of car driving tutorial, so do subscribe and stay tuned. Now let's start with this one. See, the most typical gear is 5 gear in India for the manual car. Okay, there are few cars which have 5 gear and few with 6 and 7 gears, but most typical is 5 gear. So 5 gear for moving forward and 1 for the reverse. Okay, so you see it has clear mentioning on the lever 1 2 3 4 5 and the reverse. Okay, now let's see the engagement. How do you engage the first gear? So it is on the left side upward. Okay, so let's engage. I'll move the lever left side and then up. So this is the first gear. Okay, let's bring it back. If I have to engage second one, left, down. Okay, let's see the third one. So third one is straight. Okay, it's neither on the left side, neither on the right side. It is on the center point, upward, like this. Okay, so this is how it works. And fourth one is this. Fifth one is right side, upward. Fifth, like this. Okay, let's bring it to center. Now reverse is left, right side, downward. So this is your reverse gear. Okay, now did you notice that after moving every gear we have to come to the neutral point? This is a neutral point, center position. Okay, so let's say if you have to move from 1 to 3, let's say you are in the first gear, you have to move to third. You don't have to come step by step like second and third. No, it doesn't work like that. It need not be done like that. Simply you can come to the neutral and then go to third. Okay, let's say if you want to go from first to fifth to first, still you can go directly. So fifth, come to neutral, go to the first. Anyhow, after every gear you have to come to the neutral. Okay, so you don't have to go step by step. You can engage any gear from the neutral point directly. Okay, so this is about the engagement. That's very simple. Now let's see how these what is the difference between these gears. Okay, see, the first one is the most powerful one. When you want the highest power, you have to engage the first gear. When you want little lesser power, then second, even lesser, then third. When you want the lowest power, then the fifth gear. Okay, and the reverse is equal to the first gear. It moves the car in the reverse direction and it has the highest power. Now obviously the highest power means highest fuel consumption. Okay, so the first gear consumes the highest fuel, second consumes little lesser, third little lesser, fourth even lesser, fifth is lowest fuel consumption. So the most efficient gear is fifth gear. Okay, but it gives you the lowest power. If your car is not already moving, then your car can stop if you engage the higher gear. Okay, so see, when do you need the highest power? Obviously when your car is in the stopped state. Okay, when your car is having inertia and it is not moving already, to make it move you need the first gear, the highest power. So you will start with the first gear and then slowly you will increase the gear, because when your car is already rolling on the road, then it requires only little push to make it move. Okay, so first gear is usually you have to start at the beginning when you are stopping from the stop state, starting from the stop state. When you're moving somewhere close to 20 kmpl, then second gear 30 kmpl, 40 kmpl. When you are above 50 kmpl or 60 kmpl, fifth gear. So these are rough figures and not the exact figures. This is only theory lecture. In the practical we will see how to engage these gears and how to coordinate between gear and also the clutch. Okay, so those things we will see in the practical session. Right now you have to understand that first is the most powerful but the least efficient, because it consumes more fuel. Okay, so to get going, to start with the gears, this information is enough. Okay, I'll make one more video to explain you how this one is the lowest efficient and this one is the highest efficient, and how they work internally we'll discuss in the second video. So thank you guys, thank you. That's it for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.